Hey, plant lovers. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, houseplants are a must-have in every home. Not only do they add a splash of color, but they also purify the air, boost your mood, and even improve your focus. Today we're diving into 9 plants that will transform your living space into a green paradise. So let's get growing. The snake plant, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, is perfect for beginners because it's almost impossible to kill. These hardy plants thrive on neglect, needing very little water and surviving in low light. But don't let its toughness fool you. This plant works hard, filtering out toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene from the air. Place it in your bedroom for a boost in air quality while you sleep. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just a pretty face, it's your home's natural first aid kit. Known for its soothing gel, which is great for burns and skin irritation, aloe vera is also a low-maintenance plant. It loves bright, indirect sunlight and needs watering only when the soil is dry. Bonus, aloe vera is also an air purifier, particularly effective against formaldehyde and benzene. Keep it in your kitchen for easy access to its healing properties. Peace lily. Next is the elegant peace lily. With its glossy leaves and striking white blooms, this plant is as beautiful as it is beneficial. Peace lilies are known for their ability to remove mold spores from the air, making them ideal for bathrooms or damp areas. They're also great at reducing airborne toxins like ammonia and benzene. And as a bonus, they're relatively easy to care for. Just water when the soil feels dry and keep them in indirect light. 6. The spider plant is a classic, and for good reason. This resilient plant is perfect for hanging baskets or high shelves, where its long variegated leaves can show off. Spider plants are also known to be one of the best plants for air purification, especially when it comes to removing carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and xylene. They're pet-friendly too, so no worries if your furry friends get curious. 5. Rubber plant. Rubber plants are fantastic for making a statement in any room. With their large, glossy leaves, they add a touch of drama and elegance. But there's more to them than just good looks. Rubber plants are excellent at removing toxins like formaldehyde from indoor air. They prefer bright, indirect light and like to be kept on the dry side, so water sparingly. They can grow quite tall, so they're great for filling up empty corners. Boston fern. For those who love a lush, jungle-like vibe, the Boston fern is a must-have. These ferns are experts at adding humidity to the air, which can be especially beneficial in drier climates or during winter months. They're also known to filter out formaldehyde and xylene. Boston ferns do need a bit more attention. They prefer a cool spot with high humidity and indirect light, and they like to stay moist, so mist them regularly. 3. Pothos. Pothos, also known as devil's ivy, is a versatile plant that's almost impossible to kill. With its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves, it's perfect for hanging baskets, shelves, or even as a climbing plant. Pothos is excellent at removing indoor pollutants like formaldehyde and benzene. It's highly adaptable to various light conditions, though it prefers indirect light, and it only needs watering when the soil is dry. 2. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is a superstar for anyone looking for a low-maintenance yet stylish plant. Its thick, waxy leaves are not only attractive, but also great at withstanding neglect. The ZZ plant can tolerate low light, drought, and even a bit of overwatering. Plus, it's another great air purifier, helping to keep your home free from toxins like xylene, toluene, and benzene. Our 1. English ivy. English ivy, also known as Hedera helix, is a classic plant that brings a touch of elegance and charm to any space. With its trailing vines and distinct lobed leaves, English ivy is perfect for adding greenery to walls, shelves, or hanging baskets. But it's not just about looks. This plant is also a powerhouse when it comes to purifying the air. English ivy is particularly effective at removing mold spores, making it an excellent choice for homes prone to dampness or for areas like bathrooms and kitchens. It also helps filter out toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. And there you have it, 9 must-have plants that will not only beautify your home, but also help you breathe easier and feel better. Whether you're a plant newbie or a seasoned pro, these green companions will thrive with just a little care and attention. So, which one are you adding to your collection? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant-filled content. Until next time, happy planting!